Hey everybody.
Hey! So we are finally making this
Homemade mac and cheese.
homemade mac and cheese. We have a friendship get together, a Friendsgiving at church tonight, right? And,
Yes, ma'am.
And Kaitlyn signed up for the mac and cheese so she could do this video for you guys. So we are on a time crunch and we're gonna work as fast as we possibly can to get it done. So let me bring this over here. We're gonna use a pack of
Ronco
BOWTIE pasta.
BOWTIE pasta.
I'll open that. You can go ahead and be opening the chicken broth if you want.
And then we have the finger chicken broth.
Here we go. I got it started for you.
Thank you.
You can finish it.
There's a plug in here. How do you get it out?
Oh, there you go. Whoop.
Well, I didn't get it out.
It's okay. I'll
I
get
got
it.
the plug off.
So that little handle there, you kind of peel it off, but let me see if I can't.
Sorry.
Don't apologize. I can figure this out. We'll use a knife if nothing else. Don't block the camera.
Oh. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that.
Yeah, go ahead and open your hole. I only started it. There you go. It's super easy. There we go. So if you see how I did that, I just got my knife up underneath it and lifted that foil. All right, that's good. And we probably.
How much do I pour?
There's not really a recipe. She just said you kind of pour over it to cover it, and you just want to cover all the pasta. And we're going to add in. This is chicken broth. Try to keep it over it so it don't splash on the floor. We'll clean that up though.
I need to make sure I have all of it.
That's good. I mean, no. I mean, like, you're doing good. Keep going. I don't mean to confuse you. The last time I made it, I just did a smaller thing of chicken broth because that was what I had in the cabinet. This time,
How much should I use to keep going?
we'll see. What she did is she just added more at the end, the one I saw. Okay, now you're going to, technically, we're going to do heavy whipping cream. So
Do I need to shake it up?
shake. Yep. And then what she did, she just, and this is the way I did it. You just do like a S all the way down it. More.
That's not really an S, but
Well, that's fine. A little more. Okay, that's good.
Ooh.
All right. Now, I would add more than that, a little more. This is just kind of eyeballing it. She said we can't go wrong, the lady I watched the video, and so I tried it and it was good. It's fine. Now, pick up your, oh no, we're going to do that on top, excuse me. So,
we have some sharp cheddar cheese.
I went on and did it for approximately a cup of each. She just did big whopping handfuls, but I tried to make it where it was easier since I told you we were on.
Then we have some double cheddar.
She used triple cheddar, but our store only had the double cheddar, so.
And then we have some pepper jack.
And she called it adult mac and cheese because of the pepper jack.
Do I need to add the mozzarella or is that?
It's to top it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to mix it all up. And this is after she, because we are on a time crunch, we only have an hour to be at church and it has to bake.
Oh, you're talking about stirring it.
Yeah, you have to, we're going to have to be quick, I'm sorry. Normally we would not be this quick about it. Thank you. So now that we've added all this extra stuff, you see what? What can you see that we need to do probably?
Probably add a little bit more
Of the what?
of the chicken broth.
Perfect.
Or the,
Yep. There you go. Just pour it right there in the center. It'll all spread. All right, good job. Take a peek at it. She said you just kind of eyeball it as far as the heavy whipping cream. She said there's really no set amount to use. I'm just gonna, just because I made it last time and I know what color it turned out being, and it was really good. So, I'm gonna let you start putting the butter. Try not to get your jacket in it.
Jacket sleeves.
Spread the butter and just put them, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Just lay it on top. It'll all melt. It was super easy and yummy last time. It's okay, baby. There, look, it's
Oh,
gonna
yeah,
melt.
I know. I was trying to let him, I'm going to let you do cookies.
I wouldn't rush you if we wasn't in a hurry. I don't want us to be late. Salt, pepper, easy peasy, right?
And then do mozzarella cheese.
Yep. And
Go bag.
I know what I did. I got a big bag. And just because there's no right or wrong, you just kind of cover the whole top. I'll let you do that. You may need more. I don't know. She just reached in and grabbed a bag.
Yeah, I need a little more. Yeah, it all kind of got that on
It did. So you just kind of sprinkle it over like that. And grab you some. And remember, all that cheese in there is going to melt, so just spread it out. You're done. Probably one more little sprinkle like around the edges there, and then we'll be good to throw it in the oven. It's going to have to bake for 45 minutes, so we're going to push it for time, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry we're being rushed today.
Hold on.
There we go. I ended up being at work a little later than I thought, and it happens that way. All right, $3.75 is what we've turned it on for.
Oh, here, hold on.
There you go.
I just put it on this plate.
Timer 45 minutes. All right, Kaitlyn.
All right.
Now we wait. I wish we had more time to. Well, I guess we could chat with y'all a little bit. Kaitlyn, how was your day today at school?
It was good.
What'd you do?
Well, I went to school, but today was a half day, so it was a very quick day. We got out at 12:30.
You had a teacher in service?
Yes, Mom.
Okay.
And I finished a little bit more of my research paper. We should be done on Friday.
Okay. So, what all are we eating tonight? So it's a Friendsgiving get-together for our
It's like a
youth.
friend's Thanksgiving.
Mm-hmm. But the kids picked all the food, so tell us some of the food that they're having, because remember,
Well-
youth picked it out. It's not the traditional Thanksgiving food.
We're having homemade mac and cheese, chicken tenders. I know we're having brownies and ice cream and water. Is there something else?
Hash brown casserole.
Oh yeah, hash brown casserole and vegetables.
Nope, there was not a single vegetable on this list.
Oh, I thought I saw vegetables.
You know what the other one was?
What?
Cheesy potato casserole or something like that. Cheesy
Oh.
mashed potatoes.
So I have no
I said,
starches.
are y'all good with all three starches? And they said, yes, ma'am. I said, okay. It's y'all's Friendsgiving. Y'all can eat whatever you want. So it's not the normal Thanksgiving turkey dressing, that kind of stuff. So, hey.
We'll at least get to have that on our Thanksgiving with our family next week.
That's right. So. Anything else?
That's probably it. But we didn't do much today.
Nothing else to chat about, huh?
Not really. Oh, tomorrow we have a field trip.
Oh, what y'all doing on your field trip?
We're going to a career fair. It's the seniors and sophomores that are going.
To see what you want to do with your rest of your life?
Yes, ma'am. This is in career fair we went to last year. I think it was last year. Yeah, it was last year.
Well, all right.
But it'll be fun.
Oh, hey, Kaitlyn. Do you want to try on my wedding dress?
No, thank you.
What did I tell y'all? Did you read my post today? I said,
I need to try it on your wedding dress, I know.
But then somebody, what did I say? I don't know if it was in the post about the wedding dress or if it was in a comment. I can't remember. I told them that I was going to ask you on video so that they could see your response. I said, Kaitlyn ain't going to want to try on my wedding dress. I promise you, she is not all about the frill. I said, Anna's the girly girl, not Kaitlyn. Told them, you don't wear jewelry, you don't wear frilly dresses. You're a t-shirt and a jeans kind of gal, huh? You got that from your
jackets.
Oh yeah, jackets. She has jackets on all the time.
I have a ton of jackets. I have like 6 pairs of hoodies.
She loves hoodies, yeah. Are you always just cold or you just like jackets?
No, mainly I'm cold, but I like jackets too. They're comfortable.
All right, well, we will let y'all see the cheese, mac and cheese when it's done. We've got 42 minutes to kill still, Kaitlyn. What are we going to do for 42
I
minutes?
don't know, but I think it'll be pretty good.
We'll see. It was sure good the other night.
Oh yeah, it was.
All right.
All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Hope y'all have a good night. Hey, everybody. So we're back from our Friendsgiving. And as you can tell, the mac and cheese was really good because there's none left.
So, listen, we almost had a little panic moment because it takes 60 minutes. It's not 45 like I said in the original video. It needs to bake for 60 minutes. And so we were about 6 minutes late for our little eating tonight, which I felt terrible about, but so just a lot, 60 minutes when you go to bake it. And so I almost panicked. Look, Anna jumped in, grabbed some boxed mac and cheese, and thought, well, we'll just throw some of this in there, and because I didn't think it was going to be done, and anyway, we just rolled with it. We put a cover over it and took it up there, and everybody wanted to know the recipe. They loved it. So now we have 3 boxes of mac and cheese that we got to bake sometime or another because I said, well, we certainly don't have time to just start over. We're just going to have to take it. If it's watery, it's watery. So anyway, allow yourself 60 minutes, and it's delicious. So y'all have a great night.
Bye, everybody.
Sorry we rushed the earlier video, but we got it made, right? All right. Y'all have fun.
Bye.
Hope y'all enjoy it.